Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to force Excel to automatically turn negative numbers bright red the exact millisecond they drop below zero. First, open your spreadsheet and highlight the specific column or range of numeric data you want to track. Open the Format Cells window by pressing Ctrl+1 on your keyboard. A settings window will pop up over your workspace. Ensure you are on the Number tab at the top left. Look at the category sidebar list on the left and click on Currency or Number. Look over to the right side of the window and find the box explicitly labeled Negative Numbers. Excel will show you a list of display styles. Select one of the options that is painted bright red. You can choose to show a standard minus sign followed by red text, or use the traditional accounting layout where negative numbers are wrapped in red parentheses. Click OK at the bottom to save your choice. Every negative number in your highlighted range will instantly flash bright red, while your positive numbers remain standard black. And that's it. Your negative values are now perfectly tracking in red. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.